If you really want to make a big money in the stock market, you should buy the share when the company is not in a discussion, in either in a news channel or in a YouTube. So today I am going to share about the company. The name is Supriya Life Science. Nobody is talking about this company, but just note down today's date. Very soon everyone will discuss about this company. Just I am sharing the mind map and trading view, Skinner website, everything, and I will give you all the details of this company. Supriya Life Science Limited. I am starting with introduction. Founded in 1987 and headquartered in Mumbai. And this company specializes in manufacturing API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, focusing on therapeutic segments like antihistamines, anti-allergic drugs, vitamins, anesthetics, and anti-asthmatics. Today we understand all these terms. What is API? API is called active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is the main component or main working ingredient in a medicine. Example, we all know crocin tablet. Crocin tablet and the API used in crocin tablet is paracetamol. So paracetamol is the API. It is the ingredient. This is the composition. Purpose reduce fever and pain. Second example, Avil tablet. API used in Avil tablet is chlorpheniramine maleate, and purpose is treats allergy symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, etc. Disprin API used in disprin is aspirin, and purpose pain relief, anti-inflammatory, and blood thinner. I hope you understand API. Now understand second term, therapeutic segment. Therapeutic segments are categories of medicine based on the types of disease or health problem they treat. Like antihistamines, anti-allergy, used for cold, allergy, runny nose. Example, chlorpheniramine maleate. Second is analgesics, painkiller, used for pain relief, fever. Example, paracetamol, aspirin. Third one, anesthetics, used for numbing during surgery. Usually doctor use during the surgery to numb the parts. An example is ketamine. Fourth one, anti-epileptics, used for controlling seizures. An example is phenytoin sodium. And last one, vitamin supplements, used for vitamin deficiency, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. These are the examples. I hope this must be clear to all of you. If you like the way which I am teaching to you, please comment below with you, WU. Facilities certified by US FDA and EDQM and other global agencies, ensuring high quality production standards. So we understand what is US FDA and EDQM. US FDA is United States Food and Drug Administration. It is the drug regulatory authority of the USA. If a company's factory is approved by US FDA, the meaning of this is the quality is world class. Approval allows the company to export their medicine, their APIs to the USA. EDQM, European Directorate for the Quality of Medicine. It is the drug regulatory body for the European countries. EDQM approval means the company can sell APIs or medicine in Europe. It ensures high standards and compliance with European regulations. Now jumping to next point, second point, and the second point is global footprint. Supriya Life Science is the largest exporter of chlorpheniramine maleate and ketamine hydrochloride from India, contributing 45 to 65% of India's API exports in these categories. And the company is leading exporter to 120 countries. And how many customers? 1,500 customers. And the key markets includes Asia, Europe, Latin America, and North America. And revenue is approximately 80% comes from exports and 20% from domestic from India. And recent expansion includes a new API production block in Maharashtra, boosting capacity by 55%. Moving to third point, if you found this video useful, now please press the like button. Product portfolio. Over 38 APIs across various therapeutic segments. Future growth potential. According to analysts, they project 21% CAGR in revenue and 22.5% CAGR in PAT over financial year 24-20 to 26. And Supriya is establishing a new formulation facility where it is Ambernath, set to commissioned by Q1, this quarter, 25-26 financial year. It means April to June. And the site will handle tablets, capsule, liquid, and sterile form. Expansion into contract development and manufacturing organization, CDMO service to diversify revenue streams. What is the meaning of CDMO? We understand it. It means Supriya Life Science will make and develop medicines for other pharma companies on contract. The client gives the formula, Supriya develops or manufactures the product. It means Supriya Life Science will manufacture the product for the client. Now we understand Capex plan, capital expenditure plan. The company has planned a total Capex of 100 to 150 crore per year over the next 2 years, which will be funded primarily through internal accruals without relying on external debt. For the Capex, they will not go for the debt, but they will arrange their money from own operations, from own profit. Now only 3 points are remaining. After then we move on the trading view and we understand the chart. Risk and challenges. Product concentration risk. There are only 5 products contribute a significant portion of revenue. This is a kind of risk. And the second one is foreign exchange fluctuation. With over 70% revenue from exports, currency volatility poses a risk. If the currency fluctuate either low side or low side usually, then definitely there is a risk. So this is the risk part. Magic moment. What is the magic moment? 2 magic moment. Recent approval of Esketamine Hydrochloride for mental illness treatment in Brazil. In Brazil, there is approval for the use of Esketamine Hydrochloride for the treatment of mental illness. And second one is patent filing for Atorvastatin. And what the use of Atorvastatin is cholesterol lowering medication, and this is showcasing commitment to innovation. Now moving to last point, conclusion. Strong foundation, diversified portfolio, and global presence. Supriya Life Science is well positioned for sustained growth, and Supriya Life Science committed to quality, innovation, and ethical practice. sets it apart in the part sets it apart in the pharmaceutical industry. Now moving to Skinner website. This is small cap, only 5,781 crore market cap. ROCE 22%. Last year ROCE, and ROCE average is 34%. Very good. ROE is also good. ROE 5 years 25%. Check the sales growth. Sales growth is more than 15%. It is approximately 21%. So really nice. And sales growth 7 year is 17%. Promoters holding more than 50%. It is really nice. Interest coverage ratio 127. Place, there is no place. Debt to equity ratio 0.01. Current ratio is more than 1 also. OPM is very good. And EPS is increasing. There is no cons. And you see the peers. Supriya is coming at the lowest place as per the market cap. You can see profit and loss statement. Revenue 671 crore. This is showing trailing 12 month. And net profit is 174 crore. You can see the jump in the net profit. Balance sheet, equity capital is sold 16 crore. Reserve is increasing from 800 to 890 crore. And borrowing is decreasing 22 to 5 or 6 crore. Cash flow is also good. Debtor days only 71 days. Shareholding pattern 68% promoter. FII is increasing their stakes. Now understand the chart. You can see from here in April 2023, share price was approximately 200 rupees. From here to November 2024, within 2 years, it increased by 3x, more than 3x, 200 to 826 rupees. After November, due to market fall, at present share price is 714 rupees. Actually, this is disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This video I'm creating only for the education purpose. So if you want to buy this share at present at 714, you can buy a small tranche because there is wick number in candle. You can see there is wick, so it is very difficult to cross 837. But when it cross 837, then it will move in a very speed. So you can start with a small tranche, and in it you can add the tranche. So, and if you have already bought earlier, and if you want to add, you can add here, but you should not exit. So if you found this video useful, please press the like button, share this video to all your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel as yet, please subscribe this channel. And if you are serious and if you want to learn from me one-to-one, you can message me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.